Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to introduce some of the best libraries and tools for React developers in 2025. Before we start our work, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and now let's go. First up is React Router. It helps you manage navigation in React apps by defining dynamic routes. It's perfect for single-page applications, that means SPAs, where you need to switch between different pages without reloading the whole app. Next is Redux Toolkit. This simplifies state management in your React app. It reduces the boilerplate code usually needed with Redux and makes working with global state much easier. React Query is great for managing data fetching and caching. If you are working with APIs, React Query automatically handles things like background fetching and caching, making data management a lot smoother. Is style components. It lets you write CSS directly inside your JavaScript files, making it easier to style React components. It's modular and helps you keep your styling and logic together. Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework. It allows you to build complex designs quickly by applying utility classes directly in your JSX without needing to write custom CSS. Formik simplifies handling forms in React. It provides tools for managing form state, validation, and submission in an easy-to-use API, which is perfect for handling complex forms. Next one is Recoil. Recoil is a state management library for React that's more flexible than Redux. It uses atoms and selectors to manage a state in a simpler way, which is great for large applications. React Spring is a library that helps you create a smooth, physics-based animations. It's ideal for adding interactive animations and transitions to your React components. Farmer Motion is another excellent library for animations in React. It's easy to use and allows you to create complex animations with a simple API. ESLint helps you maintain a clean codebase by identifying potential errors and enforcing coding standards. It's great for preventing bugs and improving code quality across your team. Prettier automatically formats your code to ensure consistency. It makes sure that your code style is uniform, reducing the risk of errors and making your code easier to read. Finally, we have Vite. It's a fast bundler and development server for modern web apps. Vite offers incredibly fast build times and a smooth development experience. That's it for today. These are some of the best tools and libraries for React development in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Be nice and farewell, developers.